Hello everyone. Today we are going to begin class 8 mathematics mind map. Chapter name is squares and square roots. What is squares and square roots? Square, the word itself is giving that the square of a number is the product of number with the number itself. So I will repeat once again. The square of a number is the product of the number with the number itself. Square of the number is the product of number itself. Means the square of x, you can take it. The square of x, if you take it, then what you have to say? You have to do? You have to product of the number with itself. Means x into x. You can write it as x into x. Square of a number, you can write it as x square. So you can write square of x. Square of x can be written as x into x is equal to x square. We can denote it by x square. A natural number n is a perfect square. N is a perfect square means you can take it as n is equal to 1. You can take it, then you can write 1 into 1 is equal to 1. If you go for the 4, the square of 4, you will get that 4, 2 into 2. 2 into 2 you will get as it is a square root of 4. 4 square root is 2. In this way, square root is the inverse operation of square. Square root is the inverse operation of square. So we indicate by this symbol. We indicate by this symbol. So this is a square root symbol. You can denote it as just by using this symbol. Square root is the inverse operation of a square. Either you will get positive square root of a number denoted by the symbol. You can take it as 3 square is equal to 9. Then the 9 square root is 3. So you can take it as just I am showing the examples for you. What happens here? You can write that 3 square is equal to 9. If you write, means square root of 9 is 3. So square root of 9, or you can show it 3 square. That square root symbol indicates what? Half. The symbol indicates half. You can take it as 3. So in this way you can take. So square root of, you can take it as a different number also. If we take it in the general form root AB, you can write root A into root B. So just you can just write like this, root A into root B if you division also. Next we can go for the properties of square numbers. Number ending with 2, 3, 7, 8 is never perfect square. Odd number of 0 also you can think over that. You can just observe that there are numbers which are ending with 2, 3, 7, 8 is never become the perfect square. You can see that 2 square, 4, 3 is 9. You will get like that 4 is 16. Means in the ones place. 5 square is 25. 6 square is 36. 7 square is 49. 8 square is 64, like this. So you can observe that the number ending with, means in the ones place, if they have 2, 3, 7, 8, it will be never perfect square. Then one more concept you have to observe, that odd number of 0. For example, 10 square is 100. So here zeros are odd number of 0. Here zeros are in even number, so it will become a perfect square. If they are odd number, means 10. 10 is having only 1, so it will not become the square number. If you take 1000, 1000 will be not the square number. If you go for 100, square is 10,000, but 10,000 is having even number of zeros. In the same way, square of even number is always even. You can observe that 2 is 4, 4 is 16, even number, 6 square is 36, even number. In the same way, next, square of odd number is odd. Odd number is odd. 5 square is 25, 7 square is 49. Square of proper fraction is smaller than the fraction if we compare with the fraction. In the same way, if we go for product of two consecutive even or odd number, you can take it as a plus 1, a minus 1. It will be equal to a square minus 1. In this way, you have to consider. In the next, if we go for these are the properties of the square number. Let us go for finding by prime factorization, finding square root. In that there are two methods, finding prime factorization method by division method. Hope you know that division, how to do the division. In the same way, prime factorization, finding the prime factors of a number, you have to make the pair of these factors, then you have to select one factor from each pair. You have to select only one factor of each square. If you go for the Pythagorean triplet, Pythagorean, you know that if m and p are the natural numbers, then m square plus n square is equal to p square, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. This we can write it in this general form. For every natural number, it will be greater than 1. 2m my square minus 1m square plus 1 is a Pythagorean triplet. These are the natural numbers. These are the Pythagorean. If for every natural number, if we take Pythagorean triplet, can be written in general form 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. So these numbers also will indicate in this way. So this is a general form. Then one more interesting thing is that square and square interesting patterns are available. You can see that 1 square is equal to 1, 11 square is equal to 121, 111 square is equal to 12,321. You can observe this pattern. Here 1 was there, here it has become 1 to 1. Then the same way middle the number is increased 3. Back, forward and backward. In that way, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we take 4 numbers, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then backward. If we take 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then again we are writing backward. So these are the square numbers of the number. You can see that 7 square also, 7 square 49, 67 square will become double of 4 and 8, 9 means 9 before is 8. After that 667 whole square is equal to 4 has increased, 8 also increased the same way. Then the 4 is going to be increased next time. 667 whole square, 4 has become 4 times, 8 has become 3 times 9. Then one more general formula in the algebra we learn this, but this is for your knowledge purpose. A5 square can be written as 10a plus 5 square. So how can we write? 10a means 100a square, 25, 2 into 10a into b. You hope you remember that a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. In the same way, 100a square, 100a means 2 into 10, 20, 25 5 is 100a, 5 square is 25. So we can write it in the general form a plus 1, 100 plus 25. So this one can be written as like this. Example 25, if we take it 2 into 2 plus 100 plus 25. So this can be shown in the form of 2 into 300 because a plus 1. A is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 means 3 plus 100 plus 25. 2 3s are 6. 600 plus 25. You will get 625. One I have considered as an example. This is the mind map of the square and square roots. You can enjoy by the drawing mind map and you can recall your entire chapter in one map. It will be very much useful to recall, revise the concept. Thank you.